From subtractive to additive, a quiet revolution in implant-grade PEEK is here. Using AKSOPEEK and FDM high-tempo printing, we compared 3D printed PEEK with machined samples. The results? Nearly identical in strength, modulus, and density, proving that 3D printed PEEK can fully meet implant-grade performance standards. The only gap lies in the axis tensile strength, a result of the layer-by-layer bonding in additive manufacturing. Yet, it can be effectively improved through process optimization or design adjustments. At the same time, efficiency soars. Material use jumps from 13% to 85%, with the drops and productivity doubles. Dense, weight-free layers under the microscope confirm it. AKSOPEEK 3D printing is ready for medical-grade performance.